clockwise pinwheel, you're going to do the left up, counterclockwise, right up, clockwise, left up, counterclockwise. Yes, it's that. So when you come from the last pinwheel, which is counterclockwise, you're going to keep the left hand circling while the right hand goes up and then go like that. So it's counterclockwise. You put the left one, or I put the left one in front like this. And then while the left one is in front like that, I'm going to take the right one and go up and then go there into the behind the back cap. Here's what I would start with as the drill. I would just start with this, counterclockwise lockouts, and then do that. Right, so I would do that a couple times to make sure that you feel comfortable with just that part. Okay, I'm in the circle, I'm in the circle, I'm in the circle, stall, behind the back cap. I'm in the circle, I'm in the circle, I'm in the circle, stall, behind the back cap. I'm in the circle, in the circle, in the circle, stall, behind the back cap. Then I'm in the pinwheel, circle, stall, behind the back cap. I'm in the pinwheel, circle, stall, behind the back cap. I'm in the pinwheel, circle, stall, behind the back cap. And then I would try and do the whole sequence where you do the clockwise one, Travolta, counterclockwise, Travolta, clockwise, Travolta, counterclockwise, circle, stall, behind the back cap. I should have said, try the one hand alone first. That makes sense. What's happening is when you're doing the upstall, you're, instead of the upstall coming out this far to the side and do, we've talked about the slots for the stalls. I feel like when you're doing the stall, you're doing it at the elbow slot like this, as opposed to doing it at the far end. And I think you might have an easier time because when you, yes, exactly. However, the thing that's weird about it is normally when you do the Travolta, you're doing the Travolta at the far slot like that. However, your muscle memory is trained so that your left hand wants to also stall. So the thing that's going to be weird is remembering, okay, left hand keeps spinning, right hand up stall, boom. And the other thing is when you're coming from the peak up here and you pull your hand down, remember, pull behind you like this. Just remember to do that.